Welcome everybody to part 3. Now we are filming the snowbirds.
So, what are the snowbirds? Tell us very quickly.
Snowbirds are from, if you remember from part 2 that I said from part 1, remember those that big plane followed by many small planes taking out white fog smoke?
So they're gonna
That
come.
is called a snow.
So they're
Those
gonna come in
small
a
planes.
formation.
Yeah, those are called. Those small planes are called snowbirds. These ones are gonna do different colors of fog. I think. Maybe not. I think it's gonna be different colors of fog.
Perfect. So we should be looking towards which side?
This side where we're just pointing. I think.
Yeah.
And we will
so
be
what's
getting.
happening over here was there were all these people who were parked on the
Yeah.
street.
They were
And
just
now
sitting on the
cops,
street.
They were sitting on the street, and the cops have come by because you
Because
cannot
if
be. You
yeah,
cannot be
because now,
taking up.
because before they were able to sit there, now they can't. Because if an emergency happens after landing, the streets need to be open.
Then
But
they
there
won't have
wasn't going to
access.
be any emergency, so they let them sit there because nothing was happening then.
Just a matter of that you need access to the road in case something was to happen, and then you get yourself in a situation where folks are not able to come in and help other people. So this is now what it is looking like. We actually came into the. You wanted to introduce your family, so who's here right next to you?
This is my dad,
Yeah. And who's this?
my mom,
And who's this?
my brother.
And that's your Didi.
Yeah,
Okay, so you've introduced your family now.
yeah. Now they know who we were pointing to this whole time.
Yes. And who we were talking about when we were talking in the background. So this is the parliament. That's the. I think that should be the east block.
And that's where they're gonna come.
This is the north block.
So the
south
east
block.
block is where they're gonna come, right over
Yeah.
there.
And right behind that over there is Chateau Laurier. You can see Weston, which is over there.
And I
And
think
these are all federal government
and the
buildings.
snowbirds
I
should
think
be
the PMO
coming. Snowbirds
is
should
there.
be coming any minute now.
And then all these buildings. And
So look out
over
for some
there
more little
is-
specks.
That's the Bank of Canada. And
So
then,
we're
the Supreme Court is on that side too.
so they should be coming any minute. The snowbirds. So
So
keep
that's
your
where
eye
you
out for
think-
little specks.
That's where you think they're going to be coming from?
Yeah, I think they're
point
gonna-
point in the direction.
Right over there, from where the other the other planes
Planes
where
came
they
from.
came from. Part 1, I think that's
Yeah,
where
they
they're
came
gonna
right
come from.
on top of that building, yeah?
Yeah, from
Right
video, from part 1 of the series, they were coming from there. I think the same thing's gonna happen in part 3, right now.
So we are waiting for them. They're supposed to be here at 4 o'clock.
They should be here soon.
They should be here soon. We just have to be patient.
So,
So we are all patiently waiting for that. Actually, there's going to be a whole lot of festivities after that too, including fireworks. But we are not staying for those. So
Yeah.
beautiful day here in Canada's capital, and we all. That's the thing that I was saying before too. Like all these different people, and here we are in the capital of Canada, and everybody is being patient. आपको कोई धक्के नहीं मार रहा, आपके साथ में कोई बदतमीजी नहीं कर रहा. Everything is structured, and
Well, I don't think.
people get along. ठीक है. इतनी डाइवर्सिटी में थोड़ी सी ट्राइबलिज्म तो होगी. और पंजाबियों के
Hopefully
साथ
they're
में
here.
हम भी एक पंजाबी फैमिली है यहाँ पे. एक कंफर्ट भी होती है और एक फेमिलियरिटी भी होती है. तो कंफर्ट और फेमिलियरिटी चल रही है. So what are we, Punjabis?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we like hanging out with Punjabis, yeah.
Yeah.
But in general, everybody gets along. Ballet, what were the parachuters called again? They were not snowbirds.
They were the Skyhawks.
They were the Skyhawks. So when the Skyhawks came in, one of them, oh, it says Skyhawk. Show me that.
Yeah, this.
Hey,
Yeah, they
perfect.
gave us a
So
bracelet when
they're
they came.
Skyhawks, and one of them actually
You can
landed.
tell from the thumbnail of the video that we took a picture.
One of them
If it
landed a little
is.
bit away. There was an ambulance that came through. So I went and asked one of the police officers, and they mentioned that he'd actually hurt himself,
Because from part
but that he
two,
was safe. Yeah, Uday?
from part from part two, um, the person who was parachuting and his knees went onto the pavement. That was the person who got hurt because he came from high speed and just hit
Yeah.
there
It
instead of
looked like it
grass.
would have hurt, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Are these snowbirds coming from India?
No.
It feels like Indigo. Indiegogo? Indiegogo है कि Indigo है? जो airlines है. Indigo. Oh, there's a snowbird right there. It's a seagull.
Not a
It
snow.
was white, like snow. It was a bird, so I thought it's a snowbird.
There's gotta be some. There's gotta be something I can. I can bear.
So, Uday, do you feel any anxiety with all these people around? Because we
No.
usually do not have this many people around in Canada. Yes.
No, I don't feel any anxiety, but yeah, we usually don't have this much people in the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Ugh.
नहीं 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 क्या हुआ? Oh, that's where they're gonna come from. No clue. Scanning the sky to see the snow.
I can't see with so many people.
The beautiful radiant cloud. Oh, there's a plane coming from there, but I don't think that's a snowbird.
Maybe. I can barely see. Ugh.
Wait, Jess.
I can't see. Ugh.
No. Oh, I saw it.
Where?
Yeah.
I don't see
वो
it.
अभी ना किसी और को शो दे रहे हैं उस साइड पे.
They were in a formation. They were like,
So I just caught a quick glimpse. Yeah.
You
I
gotta.
can see them in a distance. They're gonna come this way.
you're gonna come this way.
Right now they're flying over Barhaven. We could have just stayed there. Yeah. So at least we know they are in the sky.
Yeah.
Lots of excitement now. It's so funny that such a big crowd. People intuitively just like somebody knew where it was and then everybody turned around immediately. Did you get a glimpse? Okay?
No. I can barely see with so many people.
नहीं वो बहुत पीछे था वो मुझे भी ज़्यादा दिखा नहीं. Oh, I just saw that.
I can't see.
They're gonna come here. They're just doing a show for somebody over there. Maybe one of the VIPs has his home there. Uday, they will come. So yeah, saw them from a distance.
Well, we still haven't found them yet. Flying at least. Like we've seen them flying, but
अभी आएंगे यहाँ पे दोबारा से and then we're just gonna stay here. So they're gonna come over here. They just come from that side. Yeah.
That's like bluish colored smoke. It's bluish colored.
That was awesome. Yeah.
Yeah. That's bluish, I think.
Yeah.
Or it's just the sky making it look blue.
They're gonna come around.
Whoa. And there.
There they go. They're gonna come in a loop. And we're gonna see them right here, yeah?
Yep.
How many were there? Did you count them?
No, I'm gonna have to
Oh,
count.
you count them now. So we're all ready.
Wait.
This is fun. The anticipation. We can hear the sound, like you said, the boom comes before, yeah?
I don't hear really a boom because they go so fast that the boom comes way after they reach the sonic speed because they are going faster than sound.
So much for the anticipation. अब सब ऊपर के और करके वेट कर रहे हैं और वो आई नहीं वो घर चले गए they've gone home.
Yeah. We're waiting for the next flock. Oh, I heard them. We're waiting for the next flock of snowbirds.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're coming. They're gonna
From
come
here?
right over here. Oh wow!
There's 9 of them. 9.
9 of them.
Yep, 9.
That was nice.
4 on one side, 4 on the other. In the middle, there was 1.
Yep.
9.
You counted it well, Uday.
Just in time, because they left.
But look, now they are banking. They're going towards the right. And there they come again.
And that's a turn. They're circling around us.
I like this game. We have to anticipate where they're gonna be.
Kind of like a game, yeah. And they've disappeared.
So they're gonna be.
Oh, that's gray smoke. How many are there? I can't count. They went too fast and they're clunched together. 14. 9. 9. And they're attacking us,
Yeah.
basically. It's like they're attacking us.
Like I said, I like this game.
This little game they put on for us. Anticipate where the snowbirds. I think they're coming. Tail ends? That is?
They just announced the officer.
I'm scanning the sky. And that tells you.
I didn't get a glimpse. It's like a diamond. I think there's like at least 12.
I think it's the same 9. You counted them well. It is 9 of them.
I can barely see
How
them.
many?
One. But I couldn't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
There's
6,
nine.
7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's about 9.
Huh?
Send me this video movie.
Huh.
9.
Oh, there we
And
are.
the 9 are back. Oh, sure. Oh, there's more. No, that's. Oh, it's just from them. You see, they're going so fast that the sonic boom's coming later. And you can, like, your brain feels so weird from that. 'Cause it's like, how is that? How are they not lined up correctly, although it's supposed to be? That's how fast they're going.
And I think that might have been the last run.
If that was, then everyone else hearing the speakers would have left.
Was that fun, Uday?
So cool.
Yeah. Wait, might not be done.
मैं घर जाके भेजा अजे prep होंदे आ just in case कोई होर बनानी पवे.
So I came out for Canada Day celebrations
Best.
on the hill.
Oh! That's like 8 of them. There's like 8, 9 of them. So hard to do this.
You're right. You
Like
feel
it's
like
so-
the sound is still
It's like
coming from
they're
you.
everywhere. They're coming from
इससे
the
आपको पता
left,
चलता है
the
कि
right.
अगर सच्ची में वॉर हो तो आप प्लेन्स
कुछ
को
पता ही
नहीं
नहीं है।
एंटिसिपेट कर सकते यार.
किधर से आने हैं
And
voice?
it's hard to look because every time I see them, it's like I feel like I'm tilting because I'm in the stroller. I feel like I'm tilting and I
Now
almost
I'm not
fall.
gonna say maybe it was the last run. I'm just gonna.
You keep saying it's
16:35.
you keep saying it's the last run.
Yeah, because Thai doesn't know. It's been already so many minutes. Oh, मैं तेरू follow नहीं करता पहले.
So yeah, what I was
Oh.
saying was, it's almost been 12, 13 years since I last came down for Canada Day celebrations, and I did
There's more. There's more.
because I wanted to capture the magic of what it is
They're coming around the Parliament building.
in Ottawa to celebrate this glorious day.
They're coming, like,
Do you see that?
everyone anticipates.
Yes, stop.
Like, you hear it from behind you. I hear it from over there.
There's a commercial plane going by.
Yeah, that makes
How
it so
dare
much
it.
harder. It makes it so. Oh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! There's 9 of them. 9. 9.
Okay, now let's play a guessing game. Which
Which
direction
direction?
are they gonna come from? Okay, you take a guess. Where do you think they're gonna come from?
Wait, let me
Okay,
triangulate
Mom
this.
said they're gonna come from this side.
Yeah, I believe her. Because it's like ding, ding, ding. Maybe, like, they're coming from around this block. Because
If
it's
they
like
come.
ding, I'm triangulating it. It's from, first they came from
I
there,
think they're
then
gonna
they
come
came
from
from there, then there. So I think, the first 2 were from this section, then the last one was from the section behind this. So I think you're pointing in the right direction.
They
Oh.
came from where I said.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the formations have 9. I'm checking. All the formations have 9.
I'm glad I'm standing next to you. You've been calling it every single time.
All formations have 9.
He saw the reflection in the glass over there. That's a smart way of doing it. Is to be observing.
I feel like they gotta be coming from.
I still hear them around.
They're coming from here. I know. They gotta be coming from around here. Or there. It's so confusing.
Just everywhere.
360 includes the sky, though, and
Did you
below
know
us.
how long the show is?
How long?
We knew it starts at 4.
We have no idea. I'm guessing when that crowd starts moving away.
Oh, I hear them. There they go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
So
7,
they did
8,
come
9.
from the way that you and Mom said they will come. But
Yeah.
not that time, the next time.
There's so many. They always have 9. They always have 9 every formation. Everyone is 9. Every single formation.
So there they come back. They just made an 8. There they come. There.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fighter jets. 9 jets.
You're shaking.
I'm trying to hold on to you because I'm shaking.
So if they took a, they're gonna come from here again. That was fun.
Where do you think they're gonna come from now?
I think they're gonna come from this side.
Again? Oh.
Because they're gonna try going over Parliament again.
Oh, you're thinking they're gonna try going over Parliament?
Yeah.
Say try. It's gonna be so.
Oh, there they are. They're gonna come. They're gonna take a full circle, and they're gonna come back the same way.
Maybe they go over the Parliament. Maybe not. If they try to go over the Parliament, that would be crazy. The Parliament has so far been taller than anywhere they've gone, by our perspective. If they go higher. Where are they?
There they come. There they are.
That's a V. That's a V.
So they're coming in differently. So look over there.
And it's
So they're
still
not-
going on. Still going on. Still.
Oh, they're coming in a.
Whoa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, they went over this Parliament, and I saw one which was wiggling, kind of.
Yeah.
But that pilot
Maybe
was still
maybe
great.
one pilot is getting tired.
That's the best. मेरी वीडियो एक कमेंट तो थोड़ी ही.
Our video is like 24 minutes now. Okay. I think at 25 we should call it.
Because I don't
Otherwise
think.
it'll be too long. What do you think, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we made enough video for the day to give everybody a sense of how do we as Canadians celebrate Canada Day.
And how epic this day has been. Well, I guess we'll wrap it up then.
Yeah, we should.
Bye.
So it is at 24 minutes. Let's start wrapping up. This is the last event that we're going to be here for. We're not staying for fireworks,
Yeah.
but there's going to be a glorious fireworks display right over there by the Parliament.
But we're not going to be able
We're
to.
not going to be here. Maybe next year.
Yeah.
We'll bring some umbrellas, some blankets, a big case of food,
And then we
something
can
to
stay.
drink, and then we can stay.
Because
Maybe bring
we
a-
did not expect for all of this to be happening in this weather.
Yeah. We knew it is happening, but we didn't expect to stay for it. Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't expect how this would all turn out.
Yeah, but it's been fun,
Really?
and I
Well,
guess
now we have to go home.
we're gonna call it a day.
Is it still there?
I think there's one more.
When?
So if they would have been here for one last run, I would have captured it. But I think we're gonna just
Yeah, let's call it a day. Bye, everybody.
hold on. Let
Happy
me let
Canada
you.
Day.
Happy Canada Day, everybody.
Happy
Bye.
Canada Day.
Canada Day.
Bye.
Bye.